I've been subscribing to the Family Handyman magazine for many years now. There's a repeating section in every magazine called Handy Hints. Once a year, the company compiles all of these handy hints into one book, which I happen to have here. This book is divided into 5 sections of handy hints: cleaning, organization, maintenance, everyday solutions, tools and techniques. I'm going to dedicate one video to each section, and I'm going to let you know which handy hints I think are smart, stupid, and meh.
Whatever.
Let's get into section 1, cleaning.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
First up, spatter-proof painting. Now this one here suggests that you wrap up any objects that you don't want to get paint on using plastic wrap, plastic bags, or aluminum foil. Now I'm personally a fan of just be a little more careful, and we don't need more plastic in a landfill. So this suggestion, I'm sorry, but it's stupid. This one here is a toilet brush freshener. You put a splash of pine-scented cleaner in your brush holder. It disinfects and helps keep the bathroom smelling clean. This one, it's cheap, it's easy, and it's smart. This one here is a coat hanger drain snake. It says that you can use this method to remove hair and clogs from the drain. Now, they sell other products to do this, like the Drain Weasel, and this one here I use, it's called the Turbo Snake. I believe it was one of those As Seen on TV products, and it works really well. I've been using it for years. The problem with using a coat hanger is that you can tear up that drain stopper. The rubber gasket on the stopper, you can mess it up using a wire coat hanger. Besides, who has wire coat hangers still anyway? This idea here, stupid. This one here, it's a soap dispenser swap. Instead of refilling your kitchen sink's soap dispenser, you can swap it out and make one of these contraptions. But what happens if you accidentally knock over that bottle of soap? You're gonna have quite a mess to clean up for a long time. Now this might work for some people, but I'd say for me, this falls under the category of meh.
Whatever.
This is a dryer lint fire starter. Now at first this looks really good. You're reusing something that you're normally gonna throw out, and I can appreciate that. But I tried this a long time ago and it didn't really work very well. I just buy those 1-inch fire starter blocks on Amazon. You get like 50 in a box and they're really cheap. So this one, at least for me, I would say is meh.
Whatever.
This here is a power scrubber. You can buy these special brushes for your drill. Now this one, I can't knock it at all because I've actually found these to be useful. I've used these when I was cleaning up some dried mortar on a ceramic tile job I was doing, and it worked really surprisingly well. So for this, I'd have to say this idea is smart. Mousetrap in a bag. Now I've never tried this, but I'm a cheapskate who reuses mousetraps. So for me, this idea is nah.
Whatever.
Mini blind cleaning tongs. What a tedious and painful job. I think you would give this to somebody if you wanted to torture them.
That's a stupid idea.
I usually just take down the blinds and lay them on the ground and hose them down. You can put a little dish soap on them, scrub them while they're flat, and they come relatively clean. So this idea, stupid. Here's a handy hint for removing pet hair using duct tape wrapped around a paint roller. Well, I guess they never heard of one of these. It's called a lint roller. You can buy these at almost any dollar store. Another way is just to use tape wrapped around your hand like I've been doing for years. Now this one is a handy broom cleaner. You hot glue a wide tooth comb to the top of a dustpan to clean clumps of hair off of your broom. Well, most dustpans don't have a place like that to mount a comb. And how long do you think hot glue is gonna hold the comb? Not for me.
Whatever.
This one here, it's called plaster to go. When you're drilling holes in plaster, tape a bag to the wall to catch the debris. Well, I've always put my hand against the wall to catch the debris, which usually catches about 90% of the debris. Why waste a bag and tape?
Whatever.
Up to this point, I've been giving you my opinion on these handy hints. But now I'm going to show you the rest of the handy hints from the organized section of the book without my commentary. And you can decide for yourself if they're useful. Here they're using a paper towel and a block of wood to seal a paint lid without splatter. You can use heavy-duty hand cleaner to clean your paintbrushes. Here's a homemade air cleaner made by taping a furnace filter to the back of a room fan. A wood chip catcher on your thickness planer made from a PVC pipe. You can soak your rattle can nozzles in paint thinner to keep them clean. Here's a paper towel holder made from a paint roller. A pine cone scooper using a pooper scooper. And yet another paint roller idea. Sorry, I said I wasn't going to comment. Couldn't help myself. And lastly, old pantyhose to scrub your car?
That's bad.
Here's one last handy hint cleaning tip for you. Super Clean. It's great at dissolving grease. It's biodegradable. It's super easy. It's super fast. It's super clean. If you want to win these 2 new bottles of Super Clean spray and aerosol, put a note in the comment section on this video and I'll have a random drawing in about a week or 2. The only requirement is that you have a mailing address in the United States. I hope you found at least a few of the handy hints in this book useful. Be sure to check out each and every video as I release them. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and thanks for watching.